Good morning, guys. So today is Saturday and we are tackling the entrance area. So luckily, because we've already burnt everything that was back there, it's going to be much easier to tear down what we're going to tear down here to clean it up, and then just automatically bring it back there and start burning. I'm really excited. I'm having some kind of allergic reaction to something. I don't know what, but my hands keep getting swelled up and they itch, and then when you scratch it's like so painful. So I'm literally on like Claritin to see if that helps, but it's really bad because it doesn't happen anywhere else in my body. It's just in my hands and sometimes on the heel of my foot. But anyways, other than that, that's not gonna stop me. I don't care. So that's what Victor and I are gonna be tackling today. Super excited. It's going really well. He actually surprised me this morning by tackling a little corner of the entrance, and I will show you right this second. See? All that area had bushes, and the bushes are right there. Naya keeping guard. So what our plan is to do, to pretty much do that whole cleanup area right here to all this right around here, minus the big trees. There is no way we're going to be tackling humongous trees that are like pine and everything up there. We just want to try to clean it up as much as possible, but so far so good. Can't wait to tackle, and I'm just so happy. I got great help, so I'm so happy. All right, see ya in a little bit. Hi guys, so today was amazing. We tackled, well, Victor tackled the front entrance. I ended up tackling the inside of the RV because we got a mini fridge yesterday, so I was so happy. And I finally worked on the wiring because I needed to fix some things. They were a little loose, and redirected the batteries where they were located at because the sun wasn't hitting them too well. So anyways, to cut the story short, the batteries are working fabulously, and we even hooked up the refrigerator. So yes, for those of you who don't know, I've been pretty much just using a cooler and every day packing it in with ice, so I can have some things, you know, refreshments or whatever, cold. I'm not even gonna get into the bathroom situation, but anyways, you know, it's stuff that you're just dealing with at the beginning just to get to your goal. So to me, I have no problem whatsoever because I know that the goal is gonna be amazing, and I'm gonna have my safe haven, which by the way, that's gonna be the name of my property. I don't know if I've mentioned it before, but I'm super stoked. So stay tuned for more work. Tomorrow we're gonna do a lot more. And I didn't get to do the time lapse today because we were just wrapped up jumping here and there, that it didn't make sense to just plant the video somewhere and then just start recording. So I figured I'll leave that for tomorrow. You guys are not missing out. I'm gonna put pictures up so you guys are gonna still see what it is that I've tackled, or we've tackled. I have to change that mindset. So anyways, so stay tuned for tomorrow. Gonna be another video for you guys. I'm saying tomorrow, but technically it's like I'm not uploading these as soon as I get them done because it's usually late and I'm super tired, and yeah, but you know, when you get them, it's fine. You'll know that another one's coming up, so just stay tuned, okay? Thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed already, you should. If not, that's okay. These videos were meant mostly for me anyway, so I'm happy to know that some fans I have out there, so thank you again. And I will see you guys another day. Thanks for watching.